Turkey on the table, slayed in the zone. Nasdaq popping, got him feeling like a sultan on the throne. Gold futures glistening, shimmering in the light. Prop firm battle slayed, raging all night. Trades buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive. Pass the gravy, pass the test. Feast and funds, slays the best. Markets like a feast, slays a chef. Cooking up trades, more skill than the rest. Pumpkin pies, profit highs, accounts unlocked, no surprise. Trades buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive. Pass the gravy, pass the test. Feast and funds, slays the best. Markets like a feast, slays the chef. Cooking up trades, more skill than the rest. Pumpkin pies, profit highs, accounts unlocked, no surprise. Trades buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive. Pass the gravy, pass the test. Feast and funds, slays the best. Turkey legs, biggest slade's ambition. Gobbling up ticks with perfect precision. Watching those charts, every decision. Pilgrims and markets, all in collision. Cornbread, green bean, side deals made. Slades in the kitchen, cooking up trades. Side of success, seasoned real well. Stuffing accounts, making bells jingle swell. Trade buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive. Pass the gravy, pass the test. Feast and funds, slays the best.
Yo, 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 yo. What up, everybody? Good morning. How's it going? What's up? What's up? Let me see what we got going on here. Yo, T, what up? Greg, what up? Yash, Toki, Cranberry. Yeah, I made it. That's AI song. What up, Caveman? I Brown, Sandy, Laser. What's going on, everybody? Yeah, we took a win this morning in the London session right here. You may go over it. We took a win right here. This was it, man. We were waiting on these equal lows down here to get taken out. They got taken out. Tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap, and we left some equal highs up here. So we targeted those equal highs and banged out the win right there. It was a 30-second inversion. So if we get over here to the 30-second, you can see it was a 30-second inversion. And we got in. Captured about 14 points right there. Yes, sir, I Brown. Caught the win. Let me turn on some music. I'm kind of upset, guys. I can't stay on long today. I have a dentist appointment. Go get a. It's not nothing wrong with my teeth. Just got to go get a teeth cleaning. The indicator did alert it, but no. I was going to take it anyway, but I think the indicator did alert that one. Yeah. Bang. It alerted it. You guys like this layout or the other one better? I can switch it over if you like the other one better. Just let me know which layout. Yeah, but you like this one better? Sweet. Yeah, I figured you'd be able to see more of the screen and stuff, you know. So could probably be better. But yeah, I gotta leave at like literally 7:30 this morning, so in like a few minutes. But I just wanted to get on here and kind of do this yeah, full life. Took that trade earlier today. This morning. Abdo said, bro, gold is good now. Perfect move. Look in. What's gold doing? Kind of just ranging, bro. Honestly. Gold kind of just ranging. Kind of just ranging. Full Life said, always same contract size. It just depends on what size account I'm trading and how many points I'm going for. All right. Let's delete those. Let me get let's get this analysis going, because I need to get it done with. I need to do the analysis here for today. If we look at the 4 hour, let's look at the daily here. So if we look at the daily, we've got a fair value gap up there on the daily time frame, up higher. Omar says, how many handles usually aim for in the NQ? It just depends. Sometimes I catch 10 handles, sometimes I catch 100. Base hits though, just like 10 to 15 points. Nathan Lopez says, hey Slay, do you think it is a good idea to trade even though it is a bank holiday? Yeah, the stock, I think the market's still open. It's just bonds that are closed. I mean, I've always traded. I mean, I've never had a problem with it. I mean, you can go into the day expecting not to take a trade if you want. Just go into the day expecting not to take a trade. I guess that'd be the best way to do it. And then if you want to take the day off, just take the day off, you know. Nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with taking the day off. All right, let's see. Yeah, so 4 hour, I think we're headed up here. Honestly. Today. I think we're headed up there today. I mean, we're just inversing all of this stuff here. We got a 4 hour inversion there. Got a 4 hour inversion there. We inverse this stuff here. I mean, yeah. I think we're going at least to there, so. So this is the 4 hour time frame, so it'll be a little bit different looking, but yeah, right there. Let me make this actually a long line so they can see the well, I'll just do it like this. Buy side, and I'll make it 18. Boom, boom. I mean, I'd only be looking for longs until we took out this high right here. Probably. I mean, it could pull back. It could pull back down into here, but I mean, I think it's going up until here. So all right. Let's drop it down here. Harish. Yo, what up, Devin? Xander said, how many challenges did you do before passing both phases? In futures, there's only one phase, and sometimes they have straight to funded with no phases. So, I mean, I don't like the 2-phase challenges, so I don't do them. Harish said, hello, could you please tell how much percentage can I risk per trade? I want to do swing trading, so I want to know how much percentage to risk per trade and maximum trades per day. Dude, if you're starting out, just do 1 trade per day and risk like super low percentage if you're just starting out to learn, like 2 to 5%. Lucian said, hey, could you reply to this so I know to ask a detailed question? Sure, bro. Xander said, are you with Top Step? Nah. I'm trading with Lucid accounts right now. Lucid straight to funded. I've had Top Step before, though. What's up, Ahmed? What's up, Michael? If anybody wants to join the Discord, just type in !Discord. We got a free community Discord. We also do, we also have a premium section, but you can join just the free one and hang out in there if you want. You still using that new company as well? Yeah, I got the accounts. I took a small payout, then I took a loss, so I took a couple losses in a row. So I'm working those back up. Lucian said, yeah, so I've been demo trading for 4 months and am making progress. At the moment, I feel like every time I enter a trade, structure flips and goes in the opposite direction. Was wondering if this is a common problem. Well, I mean, I don't know what strategy you trade, so it's hard for me to help you out on that one. I need to know what strategy you kind of traded and stuff and where you're entering. But I'd say just before you ever even decide to take a trade, have a point of interest on the chart where you would be looking to enter trade. Like this morning, I was only looking to long, like once we hit a level down lower. Like that's the only point I'd been looking to long. Yo, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Thanks for the sub, Query. Thanks for the sub, Russell. Let's go. That's right. Wout said scale down until it starts working. Could be it. Harish said, thank you for saying that. And can I know if it's prop firm account and how much can I risk and max trades per day? Yeah. Prop firm accounts are best for beginners. Your risk is limited. And if it's a 50K account, I'd risk like $200 per day and try to make $200. $200 to $400. Keep it simple, bro. All right, come on, guys, hit the like button. I'm about to have to get off here in a minute, but I still want to see some likes hit. But let me send this over here in the premium real fast. Let me see pre-market analysis. Sending this over here in the pre-market in the premium Discord. Give me just a minute. Gotta send the analysis over here real fast. It's the 4-hour time frame. If this was a lower time frame, I'd be targeting that buy side level above, so that would be my draw. I'm not saying it can't pull back, but I believe that is the overall target. All right, boom, sent it. Sent it. All right, buddy. How's everybody doing? Lucian said, I mark out high and low of first 15-minute candle and enter off breakouts to the upside or the downside. Look for fair value gaps and break of structure. Yeah, you just trade the orb strategy, huh? Yeah, I mean that the orb strategy goes in cycles, right? So sometimes it'll be good, sometimes it'll be bad. If you really like the orb strategy, I would say just size down until it starts working again. But the orb strategy, it goes in cycles, honestly. All right, what do you guys think is going on here? Kind of looks like it's bear flagging, huh? We got we're flagging it out right here. Probably drops it down a little bit lower. Let's see, maybe something we can find. It's targeting. So we're inside of this huge 1-hour fair value gap right now. I'd imagine it bounces back up at some point. Bounces back up. Yeah, man, I would just be, dude, honestly, I think it's coming up here. Yeah, wow, so that's what I'm expecting. A little liquidity grab lower and then pop it up today to the highs up here. Buy side. We got 25 likes. I got to get off here in 8 minutes, guys. I got to go in 8 minutes. Anybody want to join the Discord? Oh yeah, Devin. It won't be bad, dude. I go every 6 months, so like it's literally hopefully I don't have any cavities. All right. Here's the Discord link. Hang on, just for you guys, just today only, I'll pop the regular link in here so it's easy to join. If I can figure out how to do it. All right, here you go. Join up in the Discord. Join up in the Discord. Laser said, why are the wicks so weird? Bro, I don't know. It's just chopping right now. Grinding back up here. Yeah, I'd say we move higher today. Nathan Hirsch said bank holiday. Yeah, I think, yeah, it is a bank holiday, but isn't the market still open? It's just the bonds that are closed, right? It's just bonds that are closed. Isn't the market still open, or am I wrong? T said, yeah. Yeah, it could be difficult. All right. Yeah, dude, but if I'm looking at this 4-hour time frame, dude, like, I mean, yeah, we could get a pullback because it's the 4-hour time frame, but like, if this was the lower time frame here, dude, I'd be longing all day long, right? We got this liquidity sweep right here. We got this liquidity sweep. And then boom, we got a 4-hour inversion right here. We're disrespecting all of the bearish fair value gaps. We disrespected that one. We disrespected these. So like if this was the 4 hour, I mean, if this was the lower time frames, I'd be long in this, right? Up until these highs. So that's why I'd say like only look for longs, at least up till here. Top of this wick here. Let's go, Yandy. Let's go NP. You're long too. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying like get long now. I'm not saying like it can't pull back, but I mean like it could pull back down into this fair value gap right here. But overall, I think the target is up here. Right? That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying there's not going to be a short today or anything. I'm just saying overall, I think this is the overall target for like the clearest thing I can see right now. Harisha, just curious if you have to choose Forex or indices, which one would it be? Indices all day. Indices all day. Indices. Yo, thanks for the sub, Dianomo. Thanks for the sub, Marco. Let's go. Let's go. Thanks for the sub. Yandy, you're about to get your first payout? Let's freaking go. On what prop firm? Is it on a prop firm? Which one? Matthew said, do you trade for your personal account or do you manage your own IRA tax purposes? How do you factor? I got a Roth IRA, but I just have a guy I give it to, I don't know what it's called. Professional. I just give it to him. Top Step payout. Let's go, Yandy. Yandy getting that payout on Top Step. All right, dude. I got to get off here early today, so I'm about to have to get off. But I'm usually on here from like 7 to 8, 8:30. So if you enjoyed this short stream here today, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do we'll let you guys pick a trade, long or short, and if it wins, we'll do an account giveaway. So be here for that. It's always a good time. We'll let you guys pick long or short tomorrow, and if it wins, you'll get an account giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and be here in the morning for the pre-market stream. Let's go, T. Got a withdrawal with TPT? Nice. All right, I got to head out. Got to go to the dentist appointment. Elite, we already took a trade this morning. Took a long. Got to win with the premium group in the London session. All right, guys, I'll see you. Join up in the Discord and let's hang out in there during the New York session. Peace.
Turkey on the table, slayed in the zone. Nasdaq popping, got him feeling like a sultan on the throne. Gold futures glistening, shimmering in the light. Prop firm battle, slayed raging all night. Trades buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive. Pass the gravy, pass the test. Feast and funds, slays the best. Markets like a feast, slays a chef. Cooking up trades, more skill than the rest. Pumpkin pies, profit highs, accounts unlocked, no surprise. Trades buy, slayed on YouTube live. Cranberry sauce while accounts drive.